Welcome back to RainCreates. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Star Wars inspired credit necklace. To start, I just sketched out my design and worked out what size I wanted it to be. Next, I moved on to 3D modelling the necklace, and this is how it turned out. I printed this model out of silver PLA at 50% infill. Now I'm just sanding the model and filing down the edges, getting it ready for paint. Now I'm just starting with a base coat of basic gold. And then I'll work on weathering it later. After that was dry, I then added a black wash over and mixed it in with a little bit of gold just to keep that shine coming through. After another black wash and extra black paint in the corners, I added some gold highlights to the edges and the top of the numbering, and then I moved on to giving it a clear coat. After that, I measured out a piece of nylon cord and here's the final piece. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.